Hello. In today's video, we will show how to turn on Bluetooth on PC and laptop. If you want to learn about turning on and off Bluetooth, keep watching. So, let's get started. First, search Bluetooth and other devices settings, and tap on it from the search result. You will find a Bluetooth section. Tap on it to turn on Bluetooth. You also do it by using keyboard shortcut. Press Windows logo key plus A at the same time. A pop-up will show in the right corner. Please tap on the Bluetooth option to turn it on. Now, you will know how to pair a Bluetooth device. It is very easy and simple. So, let's go to know how you can do that. First, turn on the Bluetooth and tap on the Add Bluetooth and Other Devices. Click on the Bluetooth option. Make sure you turn on Bluetooth on your mobile. Now the pair will start, and you will find the mobile Bluetooth name. Tap on the name. Now a pop-up will appear on your mobile. Tap on it. Click on the Connect on your computer. You will see a congratulations message. Now your device is successfully connected with your mobile. In the same way, you can connect any Bluetooth device with your laptop and PC. Visit our website to know more details about it. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.